of waves. I'm the toughest of terrors, I am the darkest